As a new YouTuber, one of these might be the reason why you've not been getting views on your YouTube channel. You are barely getting views because you are constantly making mistakes, making these particular mistakes I'm going to mention, and you might find one of them in these five of them I'm going to be mentioning, because I've seen a lot of you guys do this mistake over and over again. But in this video, I'm going to break it down for you so that you know where you adjust and where you should do right. So do well to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Do not skip. This is too important for you guys. Number one of them all is not having a clear niche. When you are a new YouTuber, it's understandable that you're looking for what will work for you best. As a new YouTuber, as someone who just started, you're looking for what your algorithm or what YouTube's algorithm is going to favor for you. But it doesn't work that way, because if you keep doing that, going through and flow, doing different niches in one channel, is going to get your channel very messed up. When I say messed up, it's going to confuse the algorithm of YouTube and also confuse your audience. So what you have to do is to pick one niche, one particular niche, use it to create your name, use it to create your bio. If you're a tutorial teacher, you can do Kenny's tutorial. If you are an educational content, you can also add that to your name, or you can just answer your name, but let your bio speak more about the kind of videos you do. And that particular niche is what you have to keep doing forever in that particular channel. If you have been planning, or you're planning to do another kind of content, you can as well create another YouTube channel for that particular niche that you want to enter into. So for you to go and for you to grow as a YouTuber here on YouTube, you have to pick a particular niche so that you will get a lot of views, so that you'll be able to hack through YouTube's algorithm. Number two on the list is weak thumbnail and title. A lot of new YouTubers make mistakes while creating their thumbnail. They create them in a very weak way, and their titles is nothing to write home about. They don't know how to create good titles. And as a YouTuber, as a new YouTuber, you need to have access to a lot of AI tools that helps you generate a very good thumbnail. You can check my previous video. I made a video on how to use AI to create a very eye-catching thumbnail that can fetch you a lot of views and high click-through rate, because your thumbnails is what makes people click on your videos to watch. When your thumbnail is catching and giving, oh, watch me, people will actually tap on it and they'll watch. And the more they watch, that tends YouTube to push it to more audience, because YouTube likes something that, drags people's attention. And once they see your post is dragging attention, they do well to push it to more people so that it can also drag their attention. And your titles too, you have to make titles that is very grabbing, a title that is interesting, trending titles, titles that are most searched about on YouTube. You need to do well to create content of titles that are trending, titles that will bring audience, and titles that will make people watch. That's what YouTube is looking for. So as a new YouTuber, don't make the mistake of creating weak thumbnails and titles, because there are 50% chance that you go viral on YouTube. Number three on the list is the mistake of quitting too early. That's one of the most biggest reason a lot of new YouTubers don't go viral. They don't actually make it on YouTube, because they give up easily. When they create first video, second video, third video, they feel discouraged about the views. The views make them feel discouraged. They just leave, or some don't even post for a long time. Some of them post today. The next time they'll post is in the next 3 months. That is bad for YouTube. As a YouTuber, as someone who is starting new, you need to even create videos and keep and post them like twice, 3 times a week. As someone who is starting, 3 videos is enough in a week. As a new YouTuber, at least 3 videos per week. It helps the YouTube algorithm to know that you are active. And if the YouTube algorithm notices that you're active, it tends to push your videos to larger and broader audience. So that mistake of always quitting too early, quitting because, oh, my videos are not doing well, I'm not doing something right. My dear, you're doing something right. The only thing is that you need time, and you need more improvement in your videos, and consistency is key. Because when you create a nice thumbnail, create a nice title, do a nice video, when you upload them and you're not consistent enough in posting those videos like steady, whether views or no views, that is one of the things that is going to kill your channel so bad, and you can never succeed if you are quitting too early. So do well to create multiple videos before uploading on YouTube. Upload like thrice a week. That helps a lot in improving and boosting your YouTube's algorithm. Do well and try your best to keep pushing no matter how hard it seems, because content creating on YouTube really pays a lot. Four on the list is ignoring audience retention. As a new YouTuber, you should do well to keep retaining your audience. Make sure they watch half through to the end of a video that you upload. Make sure do well to hook them to the end of that particular video. When your audience are always doing the watch just maybe the beginning of your video, they don't find it interesting enough, or you didn't hold them very well with what you're saying or your topic, or the way you're talking with your confidence, they actually leave that video to the next one. So as a new YouTuber, you need to do well to make your videos watchable from beginning to the end, because the more the viewers stay to watch, the more YouTube understand that your videos are actually interesting, that your particular video is interesting, and they do well to make sure that video reaches larger audience so that people can learn or watch or feel happy on your content, or make people feel good, because YouTube work only and rewards good videos that keep people watch half of the video to the end. Number one of them is click-through rate, high click-through rate. Clicking on your thumbnail does that work. Then for them to watch is what you see in the video that makes them watch half through to the end of the video. So do well to work on your audience retention. Make sure you hook them to the end. Give them something to stay. Give them something to watch you, and to remain in your channel. That's one of the qualities of a YouTube that is going to go viral. The last but not the least among them is not learning from your analytics dashboard. A lot of you guys who are new content creators on YouTube, you don't even use your YouTube Studio. A lot of you guys don't even have YouTube Studio app on your phone. YouTube Studio app help you to know and track how your views and your videos did. So as a new YouTuber, you have to be using your YouTube analytics dashboard in your YouTube Studio. When you go to your YouTube Studio, when a video stop performing, stop going viral, or stop or break down, from your YouTube analytics dashboard, that's where you will know the particular video that performed well, and know the video you can recreate that will still go viral again for you to hit more audience, and know the videos that didn't perform well, or know the niche if that niche is actually working for you. You know, get more information about how your video performed on the click-through rate, on the audience retention, on your impression, the amount of people that scroll across your videos. You will know them. You know how many people watched your video. You know how many watch hours you got from that particular video and likes. And it also helps you to interact more with your audience, because from your YouTube Studio, you can actually see comments, relevant comments that you can reply to, that you can, interact to, or engage more with your audience. Because also engaging with your audience through the comment section also help. Communication helps so much in boosting and growing your YouTube channel. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, and do well to subscribe to this channel, because we give a lot of information. And do well to share this video to any friend or anybody who you know who also need this video. Thank you so much for watching.